Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? Are you watching this? Are you watching this? Alright, well, we'll go back to that in just a second. Thursday, July 12th, 2018. People, as I am doing this video blog, you know, we must have gotten some really good economic news or something, because stocks right now are off to the races. And this should not be a surprise to you. This guy here has been explaining to you the stock market is going to continue higher. It doesn't matter. There's nowhere else to go. Speaking of nowhere else to go, the spread now between the 10 and the 30 is firmly below 10 basis points. I just checked it. It was 9.6. Now, we also found out a couple of very, very interesting things. Consumer prices. Well, the price for which you will be paying everything for now it just hit a 6-year high. Oh, the market loves that. I'll tell you what else the market just seems to be loving right now. The fact that they're pointing the finger at you millennials out here. Guess what? Guess what the news is for you guys and girls out here, my lovely friends. I love you all very much, and I'm very, very upset about what I found out. Millennials right now are just not buying houses. You guys aren't buying them. Well, let's see. Well, why would that be? Probably because we're in a housing bubble, and they're out of the reach of the average millennial out here ability to buy one on an average salary. That is the definition of a bubble. All right, so you're being blamed for that. You know, you're just not buying houses out here. Oh, and you're going to be paying more for everything as well. So your chances of buying a house just dropped. So more than likely, you're going to be renting for a very long time and making someone else rich. It's just pathetic, and this market is off to the races. I unleashed on this market this morning. I bought calls across the board: Q's, IWM, Apple, Intel, and Microsoft. So as I am doing this, as I am talking to you, I'm getting richer. It's, you know, look, this is, I hate to sit here and sound like that, but this game that's being, it's the gift that keeps on giving. It's unbelievable. And it's so sad how an entire generation right now, millennials, are being blamed for all kinds of things. You guys out and girls are just not spending enough. You guys and girls out here are just, you're just not buying houses right now. You're not taking out loans other than your student loans that you're paying off from now until forever. So, you know, it's unbelievable how they're spinning this whole thing, people, and everyone's ignoring the 10-30 spread. Good. Good. Let them all ignore it, because you and me are going to shred this. We are going to capitalize on this like there's nobody's business. Speaking about inflation now, at a 6-year high, gold and silver are catching a bid. The dollar is actually a fraction higher right now. Bonds are getting bought up. I mean, you got to just look at this. When I said in the beginning, are you seeing this? Just not just one thing. Look at the whole damn gamut of it. It's unbelievable. It really is. Anyway, I hope you're taking advantage of this market. Please take advantage of this market. It's just it's like candy. They're giving it to you. Hey, just take it. Take this. Yeah, take this. It's unbelievable, people. I mean, as a trader, as I've been saying for quite a long time, this is the environment that you only can dream about. So I hope, again, you're utilizing my website. I'm trying probably harder than I know of anybody else to make this as simple for you as humanly possible. I set up charts for you, gauges for you. I outline how this market works for you. So you can't say you don't understand the markets, because you do. If you follow this blog, you probably could school 99% of the people that are on the mainstream financial channels talking about whatever they want to fist feed you. Well, you are not going to be fist-fed under my watch. I can promise you that. All right, with that said, we're going to sum this all up at the end of the day. It's going to be just freaking lovely.